to our lesson on parts of the plant. So who remembers last week when our plant fell? Who remembers what happened? What happened, Lucy?
Someone put too much water in it.
Well, and it fell, and what happened to our pot? It broke, didn't it? But now, look, we get to see all these different parts that we don't normally get to see.
The roots.
Yeah, those are the roots. Okay?
What about that gross thing?
What gross?
The root.
That's part of the root. That's part of our plant.
Oh.
So, we're going to learn about the different parts of our plant today. Okay? So, as we already said, we have roots. Yeah. Yeah, that's fertilizer. So, can you guys see? Look in here. What do you see?
I see fertilizer.
You see fertilizer? What do you see, Dave?
I see roots.
You see roots. What do they look like?
The roots look like twigs, but but you can only see them when they connect to the tree. Don't pull them off, or else the tree's gonna die.
We don't want it to die. Do they kind of look like hairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, they kind of look like hairs. And look, does it come apart easily?
No.
No, it doesn't. The dirt stays right there. Remember when the pot broke? Like some dirt came away, but a lot of the dirt stayed. And that's what roots do. The roots hold the dirt and the plant in place. So they keep it safe and stable. So if there's a lot of wind or a lot of rain. Oh, they do pop. Okay, let's make sure we're looking at the roots. Oh, we've got to stick.
The roots keep the tree balanced and stayed into the ground.
Right.
If they didn't have roots, the tree would just fall over.
Exactly. What else do the roots do? Does anybody else know what the roots do?
The roots gave the tree.
You can't get the plant.
Yeah, the roots.
I can see the whole bottom.
Did you hear that?
Oh, I can.
The roots give the tree food and water.
So
that's what the roots do. They seek down branches. What do the roots do?
Miss Sarah.
Yeah. So is it like the dew that?
It only goes for a certain amount of time, like 9 minutes and 27. It just went off, but I'm starting a new video right now.
Start a new one. So it's just a few. Yeah, it just continues to drip, and that's what happens. That's so neat. Okay.
this is fun touching the dirt.
It is
I
fun
want to
touching
like
it. So who can tell me what this part is? What's that? What's that part, Lucy?
The stem.
Yeah, that's the stem. Yeah, that's what we call the stem. And what does the stem do?
I kind of guess like.
What does the stem do, Lucy? That's okay.
It makes it attaches the leaves to it.
Yeah.
It the water.
It attaches the leaves to it. Can you guys feel the stem? Feel that. What do you feel?
I feel bumps.
Yeah, you feel bumps. What do you feel?
I feel wood that's
Yeah, it's really strong.
The roots is a part of the tree, so that's where the wood comes. I found the roots that fell. The roots collect the water and it goes up the stem.
Yeah.
Climbs up into the tree.
Right. So it's the stem that brings the water up into the limbs. Those are roots. That's part of the root. See, it's like hair. That's good. Good job, Gabe.
Pass it around.
And so yeah, like Gabe was talking. So Gabe was saying that the roots collect the water and the stem pulls it all the way up to the rest of the plant. So now, who can tell me what these green things are? What are these
Look
green
at
things?
this. It's a root.
Yeah, there's more roots. What is it? What is that green
Those
thing?
are leaves.
Yeah, they're leaves. So we have leaves.
Whoa.
If you can tell me, why are leaves important to the plant? Gabe, why are leaves important?
That's how when the rain comes, it's rain. Let's put this. Leaves. No. How about this?
Mm-hmm. They do make it look beautiful.
Yeah. Also, leaves bring. That's where stored up.
Yeah. So yeah, that's right. So that's where the sunlight
What's this?
hits the leaves. Guys, do you know
It
that?
makes it grow.
It does make it grow. So why is sunlight important to plants? Do you agree? Do you know why sunlight's important?
It makes wind,
So why is sunlight important to plants? Do you know?
it needs to move.
It needs to move. Yeah, it does need to move. What about, Gabe, why is sunlight important to plants?
So it can make it grow.
It can make it grow. And so what happens is the sunlight is actually turned into food.
So it's power, so it will come into the tree and give it more strength.
Right. And the leaves is what catches the sunlight and turns it to food for the
But you
plant.
don't put dirt on it like that. That's not what leaves are for.
No, the sunlight's what turns it into food.
Yeah.
So it's the sunlight. And then, believe it or not, even though we don't have them on this plant has flowers. And this plant gets small little white flowers, and that's how it reproduces. But we don't have any flowers on this plant right now. So this plant is called a Song of India. And